Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's still me, your coach and your mentor, Ebemiya. Okay, I could not drop a video last week Tuesday because I was pretty occupied. So I had to drop this video today, Saturday. So I wanted to do a review of my shorts I posted. What made me took the trade and why I was so confident of the trade. But this video is going to be in two series, which is one will talk about how I was able to take this trade and why I took it and what I saw the confluences. And then the next video I'll be posting still regards to that short will be the mistakes that we do as Forex traders, the costly and expensive mistakes we make as traders. So I'm going to be touching that also, so you get to learn from your mistakes and you don't make that same mistakes, because I made that mistake and I wanted to just see how the market goes so that I can tell you guys, and so you guys can also know how to avoid such mistake, so you guys don't repeat that mistake or the mistake I made. So if you've not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. On Tuesday I'll be dropping that video of the mistakes we need to avoid in trading, the mistake we need to avoid when we take a trade, when we place a trade, because that mistake is very expensive mistake. So right now, today I want to be using MT5 to trade or to teach you guys. I'm gonna be using MT5 today to teach. I don't want to use TradingView. I just want to use MT5 so that you guys can see what I'm saying clearly. Okay, first of all, I took a buy on this trade. Before selling it for a while and then going out of the market. And mind you, I was in profit though, but like I said, this channel is dedicated with honesty. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, what your mentors don't tell you. So I was in profit, but then guess what? I lost, and I went in lost. I made over $20. Sorry, I made over $10 because from this trade I made over $10, and then I lost the $10. Why? Because I just wanted to prove a point to you guys, so you guys can also see and avoid that mistake, so you don't make the same mistake I made, because I know a lot of traders make these mistakes. So let me clear my chart so you guys see what we are dealing with. I'm just gonna clear my chart, delete everything from my chart, so it goes to factory reset. Okay, so currently now I went to the weekly time frame and I saw that there was a resistance somewhere around this level. It was a resistance, and that was what made me to take this trade here at this point. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please, I'll urge you to subscribe, because there's a whole lot and you would not like to miss a lot. So now remember our normal topic, break of structure, our normal training. When you spot a break of structure, you have to start looking for buys or looking for ways to take trade, looking for opportunities. So I spot a break of structure here. This is the 4 hours. I spot a break of structure here, and then when I checked above here from my left hand side, there was a resistance level there. Then this was also a break of structure expanded to this zone here. This was the main break of structure. This was it. Price broke out from that level. Let me get this line straight. So okay, so price broke out from this level. Then when it broke out from this level, it hit a major resistance level above there. If you check in the weekly time frame at your left hand side, so when it hit that major resistance level, I knew that price would come back to retest this zone. I knew price would come back to retest that zone, and then When price comes back to retest that zone, it is going to retest the last zone before the breakup structure, the last supply or demand zone before the breakup structure. So this was the last supply demand zone, I should put it that way, that led to this breakup structure here. So after price meets this major resistance after it meets this major resistance here above, it decided to come back. And when it came back to this place, I patiently waited for the market. Market came back to this place, went here and retested and rejected here, because this is a zone. There's a zone here, hidden zone. So when it came back here, I took this trade from here and I ride it up to this point. And guess what? I did not take my profit, but I ride it up to that point. I made over $2,000. Sorry, it was a cent account. I just wanted to take that trade, and and I made over $10 because of the lot size I used on this trade. I made extra $10. Had it been I'm using a cent account though. It is a cent account. I just wanted to use that cent account and for reference purpose to backtest my strategy again, and also so that I can have something to share with you guys here, because I told you this is my real Forex journey. I'm not hiding anything from you guys. I'm being real here in this channel, and this channel is full with honesty. So I took that trade and I made, it is a cent account, sha. You know what cent account is? If you put in $10, it is like $1,000, but you don't call it dollar, you call it cent. 1,000 cents makes up $10. So I took the trade from year to day and I made over 1,000 cents with risk management, very strict risk management. Now when the market got to this point, instead of me taking my profit, I was expecting the market to buy, but mind you, the market did not. It rejected at this zone. Funny enough, I should have taken my profit. I left it. Then there are other opportunities that I missed. Even when the market stopped here, came back here, it was a re-entry model for me to re-enter another trade, but I still re-entered there. Even when it broke mine all the year, came back here, I would have still re-entered and still take profit. I had a whole lot of opportunities, but I just decided to stay on the chart. So when the market finally got to this level and then rejected, first of all, it tested this level here, and this low is valid. Oh, I need to download a drawing tool so that I can use it in my next video for you guys. So this low here is valid. So the market first retested this place, and then when it retested, that was when I was looking forward to closing those trades, and I decided to close it. Then the market came down to this low, because this low is valid, and retested this low. Now after retesting this low, I knew very well that the market would reject at this point. I won't be able to buy. Why? Because of this long rejection candlestick here. This long rejection candlestick. That candlestick rejected price at that level. So when price got to this place, I knew price is going to sell, and I entered a sell from here. I entered a sell above here. I entered a sell above here at this point, and I sold it down to this point. I made ×2 again, like the first time, but I didn't take out my profit. Funny enough, I just left it running like that. Why? Because I told you I'll tell you the reason why I didn't take it in another video, but I don't know, maybe I might even tell you guys here. But let me tell you why. Because since this place, the market has rejected to break this structure here by rejecting it, and this is the origin of that trend. Was expecting the market to break above, but it rejected. So if the market has rejected, the thing is that the market would always come down and then break below. If it has rejected to break above, most times it comes down and break below. Most times it's consolidates, but most times if the market fails to break a structure like that, there's a possibility for it to break the low of that structure, to test that low and break it. So the market came back down to this place. And you know what made the market up here? What took it up here? This imbalance here. You know this low is still valid. The market didn't retest this. It didn't feel this imbalance. So the market came to feel this low, and that is what it did here. Now this low has been retested. I had all the opportunities to take my profit, but I decided to, since the market it came back to retest this break of structure and went back and rejected above. So I was expecting the market to sell down to this point, to sell down to this zone here, because this is a zone. Right, the reason why I'm saying this is a zone, this place is big. The market can reject at any point. It can decide to reject at this point. It can decide to reject at this point. So all we just do is we draw out that zone and then we watch how the market plays around here. So I was expecting, since it has retested this break of structure and it has rejected here, I was thinking it will come back to the origin of this trend. So I was thinking that the market will come back to the origin of this trend. That is the reason why I decided not to take profit. And guess what? Even when the market came down to this low here, I would have still closed. Even when it got to this level, I would have still closed in profit and then wait. When the market retested this zone here, I would have still entered another trade and close again here in profit. I would have made over $40 or $50 from this move. But I was just so hesitant. Like I just wanted to leave the market to get to my zone, and that is very bad. That is very bad. A lot of us, we make this mistake I made. We make this mistake a lot. You know, I know it is that feelings of wanting the market to get to your zone. You just want to see it get to that, your take profit. Or sometimes taking profit is always good. I'm going to tell you how you can avoid these mistakes. So let's talk about how I was able to take this trade. So first of all, like I said, this was my break of structure. When the market broke structure and came back to retest here, I waited patiently, and when the market created a break of structure here and then came back to retest that break of structure, this is where I entered my trade here firstly, and then I was supposed to take profit above, but I didn't. So I waited patiently for the market to retest that place. I'm very sorry guys, don't worry, I'm gonna download a drawing tool so that I can highlight wherever I want you guys to see. So this was another break of structure which you would have taken a trade maybe from here, then you take your profit from this high. So now, even when the market came to this place and then rejected, nope, that's not what we want. You would have drawn a trend line here to track the movement of the market. So you would have drawn a trend line here just to track the movement of the market. Let's just say. So even when the market came back to this low here, you would have also entered a trade, bought it to that point, and then take profit and wait. And when it came back and retested here, you would have waited and see what the market would do until it rejects and then decide to sell. So you would have patiently waited. And then when you spot this break of structure here, where is it? Okay. Then when you spot this break of structure here, you would have entered a sell when the market retested it. And then take your profit, not expecting the market to break this zone. But why? I waited. I just wanted the market to get to my zone below, because I just wanted to see it hit my take profit, though my take profit was far. So guys, that is still part of the break of structure, like break of structure video here. I'm just showing you guys a short way you can take trade. That's anytime you see a break of structure happen, wait for the market to retest, and when the market retests, you didn't take that trade. So always wait for the market to retest that break of structure like it happened here before taking that trade. I'm gonna in our next video, and I'm telling us how to avoid these mistakes and the reason why I didn't take that profit. When I'm giving you guys that reason and how to avoid that, I'll tell you guys a little bit about the strategy I use. I'm gonna expose it a little bit to you guys, but it's left for you guys to how will I put it? It's left for you guys to act on it, work on it, and be consistent, because it actually works. I trade price action. Actually, I learned from SMC and the rest. I was able to gather up a strategy that works in the market. But the only thing is that you have to fight greed and your psychology. So it works and it will help you. I know each of us, we have our own strategy, but I think you would pick something from what I have to offer and then you add it to what you know already. So I don't want this video to go longer than this. I'll be cutting this video short. So guys, all I just have to say is subscribe to this channel because you benefit a lot. I'm giving you guys unfiltered knowledge about Forex and it's going to help you guys. And in next video, I'll also show you guys how to do multi-time frame analysis so that you'll be able to know the levels, the strong levels you're supposed to take trades on, and the levels you're not supposed to take trades on, the levels you're supposed to watch for, and the levels you're not supposed to watch for. I'll be dropping my next video on Tuesday next week. I won't fail this time around. Thank you very much guys for staying tuned. Please subscribe to this channel once again because there's a whole lot of benefit and impact in this channel and you will not want to miss it. Tell me, this is a trading family. Drop your comment and tell me the video you would like me to shoot next or the topic you want me to talk about next, because actually I'm gonna be very real and open with you guys. Please drop a comment, tell me your trading challenges, tell me what you're passing through, tell me what your problem is, and I'll be glad to assist you. I'll be glad to assist you and I'll be glad to share my idea with you also on the comment section. Please, I want us to interact. Please share this video so that others can see it, because this channel is going to liberate a lot of Forex traders. I wasn't really good at technical analysis until I was able to do the few things other traders were doing. That was when I was able to do a good comprehensive technical analysis, and now my technical analysis is very good. My technical analysis is very good, just that I'm working more and more on my psychology. And once I'm done, man, I'm gonna be a future Forex millionaire. I'm not blabbing about this because I'm really working on myself, and I want you guys to also work on yourselves with me while I'm working on myself. So I'm very good at technical analysis now. Now I'm working on my psychology, and that's what I want to win. And when I get hold of my psychology very well, I'm gonna be one of the 1% Forex traders. So I want you guys to also grow with me. That is why I'm sharing the little knowledge I have. I'm not a professional trader, but I'm also sharing the little knowledge I have so that you guys can also benefit and grow with me in this journey. So guys, please subscribe to this channel because it will impact in you a lot. What I'm saying here and the lessons I'm giving out will impact. It will impact your life. It will impact your trading career. It will impact all aspects of your Forex life, honestly. So please subscribe, because I'm sharing an undiluted message with you, an undiluted training, an undiluted experience with Forex to you. So guys, I would love you guys to stay true to this channel. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you receive an alert when I post new videos. Thank you very much for staying true. I post my videos on Saturdays and on Tuesdays, like Tuesdays and Saturdays. That's when I post my video. So stay tuned guys. Bye.